Look at a possible sell for Gbpusd. So I want to quickly highlight what I've been looking at for the past few days or so. And the more I look at it, the more I'm convinced that it is going to sell. Now, this could be a cognitive bias, meaning I could be trying to see things that might not necessarily be there, but that's kind of why I'm doing this video. So you can look at it yourself and let me know if I'm missing anything. Now, let's get straight into it. So the first thing I notice is right here. This is definitely bullish, right? Now, in a bull market, a bull move like this is a good thing. In a bear market, a bull move like this is an induction. Now, if we go higher, you get a sense of what Gbpusd is doing. It is bearish. And the higher you go, the more evident that becomes. It is definitely bearish, having only tapped this most recent low here once. Now the question is this a reversal off of this low? I doubt it, right? Because I feel as though the market has been down here for quite some time. If it were reversal, the rejection off of this low would not have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 months off of the low to then only reach right here. You remember the purpose of a reversal is to get rid of everybody who was on the right direction in the first place, which is sells. So if sells in this case is the goal, the reversal is to get rid of all of those sellers. And the only way they can do that is by breaking this trend. But here's the thing, 9 months to barely even reach 1/3 of the trend line. Come on, I don't think it's a reversal. I genuinely don't see that. Now, like I said, in our bear market, a bull move is an induction. Recently, the dealer would have created a few bull moves. Now I'm going to remove the drawings again and start fresh and show you something. So remember I said the dealer is designing a reversal to go against the original direction, right? So you have a bull trend here. You have buyers are trapped here. We have buyers trapped here. And we have buyers trapped here. It's really interesting. All of these buyers are trapped. We even have buyers induced right here. And then, interestingly enough, we have what would seem to be an M pattern up here, which is right after the third tap. Makes sense, in my opinion, that a sell might be valid. That's just my take. That's just my thinking. This bull move is the induction. The sell is the real move, especially in accordance with the overall direction. It's actually just recently rejected off of this high here as well. I think it makes sense to prioritize sells. Let me know what you think.